Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how?
Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. I am in Robbie and Maddie's apartment and it is the cutest. Take a peek. It's been a few months since I've been here and they have done such an amazing job decorating this apartment. I love it so much. And this place absolutely has a vibe. And it is so them. And by the way, if you're looking for copyright-free beats, check out Robbie's channel at RawB Beats, and you can use his music as long as you give him credit, of course. So the game plan was to go hiking today. That didn't exactly work out. We drove around, and if you guys can hear Apollo, I'll show you him in just a bit. But, oh, I feel so bad for him. Hey, say hi. Hi. Say hi. So, okay. So we were supposed to go hiking today. We ended up driving around and we found the lake. Like we could see that, but we weren't looking for water. We were looking for walking and hiking trails. Well, we ended up not finding them, so we went to Costco. We are now going to Target. We're gonna run some errands for Maddie because she actually starts school tomorrow. So she's got to get a couple of knick-knacky things. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go to Top Golf. I don't think it's called Top Golf, right? It's called For Golf. That's what we're gonna do instead of having a hiking kind of a day. So I actually just went back to the hotel. I changed. I had no like face makeup on. I just had a bunch of sunscreen. Like I lathered sunscreen all over, and I just really wanted to wash that off. So I am ready to go. We're gonna go more shopping, and we're gonna go to For Golf, and I'll take you along with us there too.
Stay. Can you roll over? Roll over. Good boy.
Oh, that's good.
Be gentle. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, huh? Gentle high five. Can you jump? Good boy, sit. Speak. Hey. Stay.
It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at.
Hiker right now, huh?
I know. He's like, let me just play. That rollover was so cute. So cute. We weren't able to go hiking, but we're gonna go ahead and go shopping now. We did get to see some pretty interesting houses.
We did.
There were some very strange houses there, but it was kind of cool. There were some really nice houses in there as well, but that's okay. Shopping, definitely my jam, and I think everybody were all on the same page with shopping better than hiking, and golfing is better than hiking. So let's go. We're off. I hadn't realized that these two had never heard of a Kirkland home, and they'd never been in here, and I'm not sure that it was a good idea to show it to them, but it just seems on par for my channel though, right? Like a shopping trip like this. But I'm so excited actually to get back home because I need to pull out my fall decorations and get ready for this upcoming season for sure. I just love it here. So many beautiful fall feels. Love it. So Robbie and Maddie have never been into a Kirkland Homes. And I think they're going crazy. There are so many just amazing home decor things. I'm very excited. I'm very excited that I got to introduce them to one of my favorite stores ever. Yes, we didn't make it 10 feet into the store before they started grabbing things. Maddie, what you got?
We got these cute little mugs. This says "You're my hero," and then "Grace and Gratitude."
To the insides. That's my favorite.
Oh, yeah,
I
they're
love
cute.
that. Oh, let me see. Oh, yes.
Insides are
They're
all
colored. I like that.
And then we have a little art display.
I love that. Those colors
what I
are beautiful.
And then
So
you've
good.
already seen it.
Yes.
The calendar.
So good. All right. Cool. I would say that this trip was a success. So I feel bad because Robbie's like, Maddie, we have to go.
I like it too, but
Just kidding. Not done yet.
guys, we've been in COVID
Masks.
so long.
For the record, Robbie was the one just a second ago who was like, we have to go, let's go. And now he's the one grabbing everything.
No.
Oh.
Doesn't matter. Look at it. I'm gonna look at it.
Oh, it's sparkly.
I know. No, it's like sparkling sand. Look at the sand.
Okay.
Oh, that is really
really
cool.
nice.
It actually is really
And
cool.
look at the top. It's like a different color. Oh. Does Kaylee need a $17 drinking cup? Kaylee has drinking cups.
Oh, now you're putting Kaylee's stuff back?
Yeah, we're putting our stuff back. We're already at 20% off. Come on. Keep going. 20% off. Nope.
I almost got out of here unscathed, and then I saw
This is my reading timer.
You gonna get it?
Yeah, it's a reading timer. It's 30 minutes. So like, I'm just gonna flip it, start reading, and then when it's done, I'm done.
Okay.
That's gonna be.
They lucked out. Everything they got was on sale. All the things you wanted?
And
Oh.
more.
Thank you. And more, everything they got at least was on sale, yes?
Yes.
Pretty good. Mine was not.
The trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while. I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to
We're gonna
keep
get
you
ourselves
near. We've
kicked
got
out
a
of
fire tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you.
This is pretty much how it's gone the whole time. How do you feel about that, Maddie?
I'm really not that much better than you guys.
Well, Robbie is trying to absolutely crush it. I, on the other hand, am actually trying to like score points and win. I suck so badly at this. So bad.
Left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We can get back to this.
All right, guys, did we have fun?
So much fun.
We had the best time. I'm a decent golfer. I
Yes.
started off horribly, but it went better, and we got good.
Yeah, Maddie has some golfing talent. I just kind of sucked really bad, but that's okay. A fun time was had.
That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.